Welcome to our channel. If you like to support our channel, please share it with your friends. In addition, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to ensure that you always receive the most recent information from us. (2024) Toyota RAV4 Interior. The upcoming 2024 Toyota RAV4 places a high premium on ergonomics and cubby storage. A useful rack that spans the dash complements the roomy center console. Plasticky seats, a steering wheel, and single-zone manual temperature control are included in the base grade. The model above, the XLE, does come with certain goodies from Toyota, but the XLE Premium has many more alluring features. It has faux leather seats, a steering wheel and shifter coated in leather, a stitched and padded dashboard, and a center console armrest. 10 carry-on bags can fit behind the rear seat, and 22 can if the back seat is folded. The Limited and TRD Off-Road both include 10.5-inch touchscreens, as opposed to the 8.0-inch screens seen in other grades. The wireless infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 4G LTE mobile hotspot is also included. A GPS, a JBL premium music system, and a wireless charging station for smartphones can be added as extras.